There's everybody come to eat. For my Florida friends, the one on the far post is a tufted titmouse. My 5th grade teacher, Miss Irwin. I know Rita will share a memory along with me on her. She was not a... Nice wasn't in her vocabulary. Not 5th grade, 4th grade, I'm sorry. Or was it 5th grade? I forget. She assigned book reports to us one year. Not book reports, bird reports. That's what made me start loving ornithology way back then. And the bird that she gave to me and 2 other people, I believe it might have been David Folkland. No, maybe not. There it is again on the post. There was 3 people, 2 people or 3 people in the group, was the tufted titmouse. And when you give somebody that young a bird called a titmouse and expect them to stand up in front of a whole room and say the bird's name without everybody laughing at you. This is in the late 60s. It definitely leaves a memory. Hi, squirrel. I know I left you a treat this morning. You enjoying it? Blue Jay wants its food. Move over a little bit. Stop eating the walnuts.